Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired May 12th, 2025. The topic of that episode was the physics of manifesting abundance. Swami, your thoughts?
To live under divine law requires a principle and a rule. The principle being life is perfect, and the rule is like attracts like. Ask in my name means my likeness. Only spirit begets spirit.
Looking to manifest perfection? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam